This is what vertical farming with aeroponic towers looks like. Let us share with you the 7 top benefits of a tower farm. First benefit of a tower farm is the water saving. When growing fruits and vegetables in a tower farm, we save on average 95% water in comparison to conventional soil farming. On average, a tower like this will use 1 to 2 gallons per day, which is about 4 to 7 liters, approximately 4 to 7 liters per day, but all depends on the type of crops that we're growing on the tower. The second benefit of a tower farm is that it uses very little electricity. Each tower is equipped with a submersible pump, only 45 watts, which is on only 12 minutes per hour. In other words, we're looking at 216 watts per day per tower. In the US right now, 216 watts per day is about $1 per month. Requiring a little electricity goes beyond just a cost consideration. From our perspective, it allows us to set up projects all over the world completely off the grid. The third advantage is space saving. With a tower farm, you can save up to 80% space in comparison to conventional hydroponic systems. Space savings also translates into a reduced energy footprint. A tower like this takes less than 1 square meter, less than 10 square feet. It takes about 0.8 square meter, about 8 square feet. But when setting up a tower farm, we allocate generally 2 square meters, 20 square feet per tower, including the aisle space, the working area, the packing area, tables on which you're gonna do your seedlings. So basically, if you were to set up a tower farm with 100 towers, let's take the example of our tallest tower, the one that has 52 plants per tower. You could put about 100 towers in 200 square meter, in about 2,000 square feet, and you could grow approximately 5,200 plants every 3 weeks. Now, that's mind-boggling. The fourth benefit is the superior nutrient density of crops grown on aeroponic towers. There is a scientific comparative study which addresses nutrient density, antioxidant levels, flavonoid levels. This study compares crops grown on aeroponic towers with crops grown in the soil. It gives the irrefutable proof that crops grown on aeroponic towers rank between 15% to 45% increase in comparison when it comes to nutrient density, antioxidant levels, and flavonoids increase in comparison to crops that have been grown through conventional farming in the soil. The fifth benefit is that we almost never have to spray pesticides in a tower farm. When vegetables feature an increase in nutrient density, a higher level of antioxidants, higher levels of flavonoids, this also means that they have developed a much stronger natural defense mechanism, which explains why we almost never have to spray pesticides. But when we do, occasionally, very occasionally, we only spray organic formulas such as pyrethrin, neem oil, just organic stuff. The sixth benefit is the versatility of a tower farm. They can be set up outdoors, indoors with LED lights, inside a greenhouse or even on a rooftop. And they can be set up in places where the land is not fertile or polluted. Only tower farm technology can afford such leverage and be so versatile. The seventh benefit is that no experience is needed to start a tower farm. A commercial tower farm can be operated successfully by someone who does not have any experience in gardening or farming. Tower Garden Aeroponic System is the only technology that delivers professional results without needing previous experience within the agricultural sector. Most tower farm owners have backgrounds as corporate professionals, pharmacists, lawyers, teachers, doctors. Anyone can start a tower farm without any previous experience. This is true agricultural autonomy.